everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be making a solid color, so one color granny square, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be making a one color only granny square. You are going to need some yarn. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. It is a 4-ply medium weight yarn or worsted weight yarn. You're going to need a crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle. To start the one color granny, you are going to cross your yarn and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to go into that first chain that you made, and we're going to do a slip stitch. We're going to chain up 3, 2, 3. Okay. So now you're going to have a center in here, okay? Right there is our center. So I'm going to catch my tail as I go along, and I'm going to do double crochets. To do a double crochet, you go yarn over the hook, into the center, pull through, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops. That's a double crochet. You're going to do 2 of them after that chain 3, because the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Then we're going to do a corner, which is chain 2, and I'm catching that tail all the way around. I'm going to do 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 to make that final corner, and then we're going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. Come on now. Okay. Now, because we're staying with the same color, we're just going to slip stitch across till we get to the first corner, and then we're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 2 more double crochets. We're going to chain 2, and in that same corner space, we're putting 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now, we're just going to reach for that next corner. 3 double crochets. Chain 2, 3 double crochets. And then we're going to reach for our next corner, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Okay, so we're going to do that one more time. 3 double crochets in the corner. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets. We're going to slip stitch into the first, or sorry, the top of the chain 3. Slip stitch. And because we're staying with the same color, we're going to slip stitch all the way to that corner. And then chain 3. And the only difference is now we have spaces in between our corners. So here, let me just show you one side. We're going to do 2 more double crochet besides the same chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then we're going to chain 2, 3 double crochet. So that made a corner. And now we're going to do 3 double crochet in that space. And then we'll reach for our next corner, okay? And then we will do our 2 and 3 more double crochet, and we're starting on that next side. So continue doing this for as many rounds as you want. To get the size of the granny square that you want. And that's all there is to it, guys. Hide your threads. If you did the center right, when you give it a pull, it'll cinch it right up. And yeah, that's all there is to this basic one color granny square. So in the description, I'm going to put a link to my Etsy store because I have different crochet patterns in there. This is not my pattern, so I'm not going to write out a pattern for it. There's also my crochet journal stickers. I'll put some links for those in the description. I have a Facebook crochet group, which I'll put a link for in the description. And I will also put a link for my jewelry Etsy store. A link for that will be in the description. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye now.